What's up, guys? Today we are just going to create a madlibs in a Python. So let's jump to our video. So I'm just going to open my editor Sublime, in which I'm just going to set some of the variables and take a input in that variables. For example, I'm just going to have a nouns. After that, similarly, I'm just going to create a much more variables and take a input from user. So these are the variables having a different input from users. After that, I'm just going to create one of again variables named madlib, and in which we are going to have a formatted string by having a f in front of our quotation by. After that, I'm just going to write some of the sentences and leave a blank space and put the variables in that blank space. After that, for putting out the variable, we just are using a brace and writing a name in middle. As our variable madlib has been completed, so this is one of paragraph of just similar as a story. And if I'm just going to print out this madlib, and after that we need to run out this. After running, I'm just going to input a noun as a name. After that, adjective, enter name of place, name of friend, and this is our madlibs. It is one of the best project for a beginner level. So if you didn't have subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and for our video.